guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another wig review. Now first, hold on, because I know we tired. I know we tired of the plucking and the gots to be spray and the glue and the wig caps, and I know that, and trust me, I'm tired too. So I'm so happy to be featuring this wig from Beauty Forever today. This is a headband wig, y'all. So you ain't got to worry about the lace. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff anymore. I'm super excited because, y'all, I've been so busy lately. So this is perfect for me to just put it on and just go. So it came with 2 headbands. So pretty. Look at that color. Okay. Okay. And it feels so soft. All right. Yes, honey. It has this headband wig, which is so cute too. Y'all know I'm into, like, I don't know, the browns and the whites lately. I don't know. All right, so we're going to check out this wig. Now, this is the 18-inch body wave. Ooh, yes, so pretty. Wave headband wig. So, let's see. It has a comb here in the top. Has a comb in the back. And then here's your adjustable straps. It has a comb on the side, actually 2 combs on the side, so you can make sure it's actually secure. And it should have adjustable straps down here too. So everything will be secure when applying this wig, y'all. Yes, look how pretty that is. The hair is so soft, so bouncy. I'm excited. And again, this is 18 inches in body wave. So, now, before you put on your headband wig, you might want to do something with these edges, child. Look at my edges. Look at that. That don't make no sense. So, what I like to use is my fave. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is Edge Control. This is from Certified Bella Pomade. I will definitely leave a link for this and also do a better picture because I know y'all probably can't see it that well. So we're going to scoot this back and go ahead and lay down our edges. I know y'all anxious to see my chebe hair. We're going to get there. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. My next video should be a chebe hair update. You'll see my actual hair and we'll be, you know, talking about it. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, guys, okay? All right. So let's get started. I guess I should have had my stuff together up here. And I don't. Y'all already know, if you've been following me for a while, then you kind of know that I don't really care for the whole baby hair look too much. So I'm just going to do a little bit just to give me something going, but I'm not too big on it. And you really just want to slick your edges back. That's really what it is. You don't want it to be all looking rough like my hair, okay? This stuff works so good. And this is, I'm just using my finger. Look at how well it's laying down already. Baby. Oh, yes. I love this stuff. Y'all better get y'all some. And it dries quickly, so you got to hurry up. Now that I got my edges all slicked down, you want to go ahead and get you maybe like a wig cap. And that way you can keep your hair in place. And let's see, take this. Yes. You want to go ahead and get your wig. I'm excited, y'all. I haven't done a wig video or a wig cap video in so long. Headband wig. What am I talking about? So you want to do it in the back. You want to go ahead and put your clips in here on the side. For me, I don't like to dig too far into my edges like that, so I just kind of push it in there a tad bit. And I do the same thing for this side. You could do the middle one if you want, but you should be secure on the sides. See the length? You can literally leave it like this with the black band doing and your edges kind of slick back, or you can go ahead and use one of the headbands that they gave you, which we're going to try the white. Y'all. So yes, y'all, you could do just about anything you could think of with these wigs. And you won't regret it, guys. You will not regret it. This is so freaking cute. Oh my God. So guys, if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you check the link in the description box below. You ain't got to worry about no lace, no glue, no nothing. Just put it on and go. And you can change out your headband so it can give you a different look every day. So make sure you check out the link in my description box and grab you a headband wig. Make sure you leave a comment below and let me know how you like it. Bye guys.